Hey y'all, so today I decided to make a video showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup. I'm gonna start off with this L'Oreal Magic Lumi primer. So I'm just gonna put it on my fingers, rub it in, and then rub it all over my face. Next I'm gonna be going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer and one for under my eyes. And the same concealer in two for like in between and above my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques beauty sponge and just blend it out under my eyes. For this concealer, I'm going to be taking this brush. It's like a knockoff of the artist brushes. I don't know how you pronounce that, but I just got this one from Ross. So now that we're done with that, we're going to take this Maybelline Master Fix Setting Translucent Powder, and I'm just going to take that on my sponge and set under my eyes. Now I'm going to be taking this Bare Essentials Fast and Flawless Blending Brush, and I'm just going to wipe away that powder. Okay, and now I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take this Anastasia, I think this is a number 7 brush, and the NYX Tame & Frame Tinted Brow Pomade in Espresso. Okay, I keep the brush out because whenever I conceal I have to like brush through my eyebrows, but I use this Sephora brush. It has one end for like, it's like a crease brush on one end and then this flat sort of brush on the other. And I use the flat side and the number 1 concealer, and I just tap it on there like that. And then I go underneath and over my brows and just conceal the mistakes and just clean up a little bit underneath and above them to make them look better. And I just blend it out. And I usually just like to like swipe my finger over it to blend the concealer out a little bit. And then if there are any spots that still look like sparse or anything, then I'll go back in with a brush. Usually there will be some left over, so I'm gonna have to go back in and like fix that maybe. We're just gonna dip a little bit back into the brow pomade and just go back in and fill in the parts where like over concealed or where the eyebrow kind of got like covered up or taken away. Okay, there, that's a little bit better. Then I'll just go back in with the brush, conceal it a little bit again, make sure it looks good and even. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other brow. Okay, and now the eyebrows are done. So now I'm gonna go in with the same #1 concealer and just put it on my eyelids and blend it out with my complexion sponge. Well, I go in with the pointy side at first, and then I just blend it out all over my eyelid, and then after it's all blended out, then I will turn it around to the flat side and just dab on my eye to kind of like set it with the translucent powder that's already on it from when we set under our eyes. And then sometimes I'll take that same, well, not that one, Bare Essentials blending brush and just brush a little bit over my eyelids just in case there's any loose powder or too much powder. Then I take my Sephora brush and I take the crease side and this NYX Nude Matte Shadow in Dance the Tides. I've already hit pan on this because this is how often I use it. And it's just like a nude brown color, and I just go in with that, top a little bit off, and then put it in my crease. I really would like to get like a lot more videos out for y'all. I really do want to film a lot more videos for you guys, but sometimes I just run out of ideas and I just like hit a wall with that. I'm like, I really don't know what I want to film or what I want to post. I don't know what anyone wants to see. So if you guys have any suggestions or any videos ideas, if you guys have any suggestions or any video ideas that you'd like to see me do, then just leave a comment on this video and tell me what kind of videos you'd like to see, and I'll try to get them out for you guys. But yeah, I just blend this color in the crease until I feel like it's even and dark enough, and I just do that on both eyes. And usually I'll try and like kind of do it a little bit right here in this little corner to like connect it to the crease so that it kind of looks like a little V, and then it like blends in with like the shadow of your eye kind of, and like looks more natural than if you just like went in your crease and like stopped. So I'll blend that out a little bit, but yeah, just a little. And then on the other eye, same thing. Okay, then after I'm done blending the crease, then I'll take it again on my brush. Oh my gosh, did you guys hear that? That's my cat. Hold on, let me let her in real quick because she won't stop. So now I just go in with the same color and just put it on my bottom lash line, just to make it look more even. Okay, so then whenever I'm done with that, that is the eyeshadow. That's all the eyeshadow that I put on. And then after that, I just go in and curl my eyelashes. Okay. And then I use, you can't see the label anymore because it got rubbed off, but this is the Maybelline Colossal Cat Eye Mascara, and this one's my favorite to use on my top lashes, so I'll just put that on. This mascara is my favorite to use because of the shape of the wand. It's really skinny, it's not really bigger than it needs to be, so it doesn't pick up like too much extra mascara, and it's also curved, so it kind of just like goes with the shape of your lash line, and it helps like pick up your lashes and give them volume and helps them stay up. Then for my bottom lashes, I use the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I feel like this is a really good mascara for your bottom lashes because it just really like lengthens them. I used this the other day though on my top lashes and it did not work out well. It made them really clumpy. It didn't hold the lift that my lashes had from curling them. It just made them really clumpy and like really thick and kind of stubby and short. Like not even, it did like the complete opposite of what it does on your bottom lashes. I don't know why this mascara works the best on your bottom lashes, but for me it does. And then same thing on the other eye. I usually like to like squint a little while I'm putting on bottom mascara, because I feel like it helps the mascara not touch your eyelid. I feel like it lifts up your lashes a little bit and helps you put the mascara only on your lashes instead of your skin. Okay. So then after that, usually I just go in with highlight, and I like to use this NYX Bread Idea highlight stick in Chardonnay Shimmer and use this like as a base kind of. I'll usually just use this for the tip of my nose and my cheekbones, and then I'll go in with my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. Now I use this Real Techniques setting brush to, wow, everything's a mess in here, to go over that. So I just go over my highlight on my nose and on my cheekbones. And then I like to go in with a little bit like on the tip and just put it on my brow bone. And again on the tip, and just put it in my inner corner to make my eyes look more awake. And usually that's it. But that is usually all I do for my everyday makeup look. Sometimes I'll go in with a wing, but this is what I do every day. Like if I feel like wearing makeup but I don't really want to go all out, this is what I'll usually do. I've been doing this for quite a while now, but I just feel like this is really natural looking and I think it's really pretty and works really well for me. I just really like how natural it looks. It just really accentuates, okay, there was a hair in my mouth, like all your features. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial and I hope you guys like this look. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Like if you liked the video, subscribe if you want more, comment suggestions for videos down below that you want me to do. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Do I look cute with this on? No, not even a little bit.